Five 5:25 in the morning, and there was a bloody weird noise. Listen. Haven't a clue what that noise is.